Hey everyone, welcome back. For those of you who are new here, my name is Sham and this is Lock-In Twins. Basically, the entire goal is for you all to follow along our journey from going from next to nothing to, making it big. So we found this product. It's a Mr. Beast sort of squishy toy, and basically this one had, it took a while for us to find this, but this one had okay profit margins, and on top of that it was at a affordable cost, at least for the first product. So that is one of the products. A second product is a Lego sort of guidebook, which there should be a photo here somewhere. But yeah, we got this book at honestly a great deal, and they're selling really well. So, and we'll also show you this process of finding products and sourcing them, and also how to potentially see if you're gated or ungated, and even go through that whole process. That will be in a separate video. But again, for today's video, these two products, I'll be taking you along on how to pack them, how to label them, and of course, any other tidbits in terms of getting your first shipment out to Amazon. So let's do this. Alright, so the printer failed. Tried to print them again, and then it actually printed out, but you can see these barcode lines are too thick, so this won't even work. So that's just a waste of 5 labels right there. Let's print it again. I updated the presets. Let's see if this fixed it. Everything's loaded. We're good to go. So let's go ahead and print. Go. We got those. Let's get the other ones as well. That's where for the hypercharge, let's do for the legendary, we need 5 of them. 5, that's good. Yeah, so we have 5 hypercharged, 3 iconic, and then 5 legendary. So let's go ahead and do those. So those are legendary, Command P. Everything's there. Let's do the custom preset that we have set. Overcheck everything. So the thing that happened was, what you can do too is upper resolution is 300 by 600, and then make sure your print density is at medium, and the print quality should be barcodes and graphics. It'll print much better. So let's go ahead and do those 5 too. Cool. And then lastly, we do the iconic ones. So let's do the 3 of those. Let's start adding these barcodes to the thing. Alright, so we got the Mr. Beast ones already packed and ready to go, and I didn't get a video of that because I was slightly in a rush, but the thing with it was the books, the Lego books, the second product we got. I was assuming I would get it by today within like 8 p.m, but currently they just updated the delivery time saying it was going to be delivered Sunday, which is like 3 days from now. So without waiting, I was just saying, okay, might as well just ship these now, and we can always just ship those later. So in the meantime, we can also find more products to ship it all in one bundle, right? So here it is. Hopefully that was recording. So we finally got the Legos. These are the books that we were talking about. We got about 15 of these, and essentially just like little I guess a guide, how-to guide with some extra pieces too. So let's go ahead. We already got these lined up. Let's go ahead, print out the labels for these, and then get this thing packed and shipped. And we are done. Let's get to labeling. So you see that so I tried to cover up the existing barcodes as best as I could. The thing with this is that the other two might accidentally get scanned, so I might just go ahead and print out a second set of labels and just try and cover that other half just in case, because it's better to be safe than sorry in this situation, because you want to make sure that those labels are not visible and not being able to be scanned, so Amazon doesn't confuse it. Let's pop these back in. Alright, so all of them are now double labeled just in case, to be safe. And let's go ahead and get them into the boxes, close them up, print the labels. And just as a little courtesy kind of thing, I might just even do print like a little sheet like this that shows, you know, what's in each box and the quantity of each, just in case. It won't hurt, you know, it's just an extra page. But let's do that, pack it up, and get going. So what I'm doing now is I'm doing a scan and pack for this group, right? Because this is going to be one shipment but 2 boxes. So basically I have it as package 1, box 1, you know, and then package 1, box 2 essentially. So I have, these are going to contain all the Mr. Beast toys, and then these are going to contain the 15 Lego books. So let's just do this, grab labels for each. So we go ahead and confirm the packing units here. Here we are. It includes all that information. Let's actually print out another copy so we can include it in both boxes. Set that down. So basically with these, you can get them for free at UPS. So basically sign up for a business account at UPS and you can essentially get these and a bunch of other supplies for free as a business. So these are some like half split shipping labels, which we can use to print out those Amazon ones. All right, let's pack these up. All packed and ready to go. Let's get this. All right, so we finally dropped them off at UPS. Man, was it a hassle. Richmond, it is packed. I mean, especially for the holidays. There were so many people in the city. Traffic is just crazy. But yeah, no, we're gonna head home now. First shipment done. So I guess congratulations to us, you know. But we'll see. We'll keep you guys updated on the sales and everything and how it's gonna go. But no, that was it. Hope you guys actually learned a little bit. If you didn't, of course, we're gonna have more in-depth videos down the road to actually show you guys, you know, the Seller Central 2, showing you what buttons to click, you know, what to print, where to get some of these supplies and things from, which you might not have. And then yeah, we'll do that in another video. This one was just to show you kind of the, not a day in life, more so from our experience, because this is brand new to us too. So I mean, we finally got the shipment out. That's like a huge milestone. So Anyway, I won't bore y'all. I know this video was a little lackluster, but you know, production will increase as we start to get used to things. Production might not increase, but more so get better, increase in value and quality, right? So that's what we're looking for. But now stay tuned, guys. I really hope you guys follow us on this journey, and then see you in the next one. All right, peace before I get in the accident.